Hello sisters, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna and today we're going to be trying something very different. I'll be doing some nail strips by Color Street. I actually want a giveaway. I'm so excited. I want a giveaway from Facebook, which was hosted by Melissa and Natalie on behalf of Color Street. If you want to check out their Facebook groups, I'll link it down below. Now I'm really excited. We'll take a look and reveal what's inside here. Sisters, let's try it. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's do it! Let's dump everything out. Okay, so what do we have here? We have nail prep pads. So these are single-use nail prep pads for before you apply the nail strips on. So there's a couple of these because those are very useful. And then this is the nail polish strips. Ooh, it's called Gratitude is Everything. This is a beautiful color. It's like a mauve fall kind of color, so it's very nice. I like this. It comes in 16 of the nail strips, so there's 2 sets here. They gave me some samples, so some samples of this, the sparkly ones. These are so pretty. Aren't these so nice? They'll probably be nice for like some of the accent nails. Aw, they gave me a hand mask too. It's from the brand Freeman. And these are a set or a pair of hand masks. So this is very nice, very useful. Especially winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
A lot of my hands is very dry and I really need the mask to do it as well. There's remover pads, so this is a nail polish remover pads if you want to remove the nail strips that you applied on. This is just one-time use as well. Of course, they'll include a nail filer. This looks like a very heavy-duty nail filer too. So a pretty long one, very heavy-duty. It's not flimsy at all, nice and thick. So this one's nice. They included a pamphlet or brochure of all their fall and winter 2021 to 2022 nail colors. Look at this. They have a lot of pretty colors. The ones that I got is Gratitude is Everything. And then the sparkly one for the pink one is Tokyo Lights. And then last but not least, I have the Paint the Town. So those are very nice choices. So thank you so much, Melissa and Natalie. These are beautiful. I'm excited to try it on right now. I'm all prepped up. I already filed my nails. I cut my nails so it's a little bit shorter. Let's dive right in. Okay, so let's open this up. So we'll open it up like this. Oops, that's fail. Oh, it says here, use immediately after opening. I think it got glue here. There we go. There we go. There we go. And it also includes the nail prep pad as well. It also includes a little filer too. This is really cute. There's 2 sides, the stars and also polka dots. Okay, let's begin. First of all, you should have trimmed your nails, buffed, and also filed your nails to the shape that you want. The next step you should be doing is to push your cuticles back. I saw a little tip on YouTube. They use this nail filer to push your cuticles a little bit lower, or even with your own nails, you can also do it, just to make sure your cuticles are out and away from the nail strips. If the nail strips touches the cuticles, it can cause the nail strips to flip or flap out, and you wouldn't want that because that's not going to last very long. Let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna use the nail prep pads. So pretty much this prep pad is getting rid of your natural oils that's on your fingers and the nail itself. And then now we can cut this open. I'm just going to cut it right at the edge here. Okay, let's pull it out. So there's 2 sets of 8, and it's real nail polish, guys, so you can already smell the nail polish in them. It's beautiful. This is a very, very nice color. Keep this package with you because I'm pretty sure I won't be able to finish all of these 2 sets. So there's the 8 strips here. What I heard from the reviews, 1 set of these can actually fit 1 mani and 1 pedi. So as you can see here, this second one will probably fit my thumb. And this large one here is way too big for my thumb, so I'll probably use that for my toenail. So my big toe can probably fit this one, and the rest of my toenails can probably fit in this more narrow one here. So I'll save these ones for my pedi. And the rest of these ones will probably fit the rest of my fingers. And I'll cut it in half. One side will go for my left hand and one side will go for my right hand. So 1 set can fit 1 mani and 1 pedi. This is really good deal because this one will be for another set of mani and pedi. So that's really good. As I was saying earlier, remember you should keep this sealed package here because like I was saying, the 1 set will only last for 1 pedi and 1 mani. So you still have an extra set that you should keep and save up. So the other set, you should put it back into the sealed package. And then afterwards, you can use a flat iron or even an iron to just pretty much heat seal it back up. So we're gonna use this, and we're also gonna use this one. So let's open this up too. Okay, so I'll probably put the Tokyo Lights one on my 4th finger. Oh, maybe middle finger or 4th finger. We'll take a look. What do you guys think? I like it. This will go well together, like the glitter one and also the solid color one. Yeah, this will be nice. Let's apply it on now. Okay, so we'll start with the pinky first. We'll do all our pinky and then our thumb last because we will be using our thumbs a lot during this procedure, so we don't want to ruin the thumb if we do it first. So we'll start from the pinky all the way to the thumb. We'll take this one here. We're gonna peel it off, so there's a little tab here. We're gonna peel all of this off. We'll only be cutting it in half. Okay, so just carefully peel it off. So it kind of looks like this. And then we're gonna apply it. Just gonna apply it very close to the cuticle, but not on the cuticle. And then we're gonna smooth it out on each side, making sure we got on both sides like this. This is a very pretty color. I really like this. Like that. And then we're gonna just fold it over so it gets all the way to the tip of the nail. So make sure it's like nice and wrapped around, kind of like this. Okay, and then now that we have it around the tip, some people, they like to perforate it just right at the tip here. Just use your nail of the thumb to cut it, kind of like that. And then now all you have to do, make sure you cut it all the way. Now carefully, just peel it off. Like that. Ooh, this is nice. This is so nice. I love it. Now that's the excess. Put that aside. This is really nice. That was really easy. No dry time too. Look. Move on to this one now. So this is the size for me. Again, we're gonna peel it off like this. And then we can cut it right in the middle. Sort of like that. And then again, we will peel this off very carefully. Now that it's solid color, you can see the wrinkles a lot more, or even the bubbles a lot more, so be very careful when applying this one. Don't want to F this up. Okay, I have to be very careful when I'm applying this one on. This is very easy to apply, to be honest. Okay, so like that. And then we're going to bend it. This is nice. Okay. Okay. I'm so impressed. Oh my gosh. Miles, what do you think?
It looks good.
It looks really nice though, right?
Yeah.
Very festive.
It looks like you painted it.
Yeah, but this one is so easy to apply. It's even easier than regular nail polish. I can't believe this outcome can be like this too. I think my regular nail polish, usually there's like streaks here, streaks there, but this was super easy and I like it so far. You think the colors match? Like it goes well together?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I like it too. Okay, we'll move on to our next hand now. Yay, I'm done! Look at them. They're so nice, right? Okay, sisters, I just finished applying the Color Street nail strips. What do you guys think? It looks so pretty. It's so nice. So this is very nice. I keep saying very nice, but anyways.
They're nice.
First of all, the color is beautiful. You get to play around with the colors. I picked the middle finger and my pinky for the sparkles. What do you guys think? I like it. This is so beautiful. It was fun to do. Very impressed how easy it was to apply it. There were two concerns that came up while I was doing this process. One thing is, especially for the solid colors, you have to be really careful with your nails. I was actually applying this one on and I guess my thumb caught right in the middle here, so I made a little nail mark. But it doesn't seem to be very noticeable, so that one's okay. You can't really notice it right now. The next thing is when you're measuring the length of your nail, make sure, especially if I'm planning to use each strip for 2 of my nails, make sure you really measure it and see if it'll actually fit. Because my thumb, I cut it in half, but I guess this thumb, the nail, is a little bit longer. So this one I had to file it down a little bit shorter in order to fit the whole thing. I was probably half a millimeter, give or take, just half a millimeter off. So it was sticking out a little bit. So I used a nail filer just to file it down a little bit more. And now it looks perfect. This is nice, I love it. I think these would make great gifts for Christmas. I would probably give it to my friends and family as Christmas gifts because these are really fun to make and they have really fun colors, lots of different colors for them to mix and match as well. Comment down below and let me know what you want to see next. Bye, sisters! Sure, do you like these nails? Yeah? No, they're not food. Bye, sisters. You say bye. You want some for yours? On your nails? Okay. You say bye. Bye.
The way my hands feel